What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, it's going to be about a 2-minute video, but I thought I'd go ahead and make this because a lot of you guys are like, well, dude, Drake, you must be making bank with YouTube. No, dude, I don't make nothing with YouTube. In fact, it's like a huge job for me, but guys, I love doing these videos. I love teaching about cryptocurrency and I love talking about it. They always say teachers really don't make any money at all. They actually lose money. Yeah, in this scenario, I'm actually like paying to teach you guys because I'm spending a lot of time doing this. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm in real estate, and if I mainly focus my time and efforts on that, well, hey, I'd be doing a lot. Well, I'm still doing pretty well in real estate. I own my own tenant finding service and so on. But anyways, guys, in this video, I want to show you guys, I'm going to be transparent about it as well. I want to show you guys how much I really make with YouTube. You'll be shocked. It's really not that great. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 and free BTC. What the snap? So I'm actually losing money for this. Yeah, I literally am. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So, I just lost my face. All right, so we're on top again. What up? All right, guys, so total, we've had 1.1 million views. This is just for the lifetime. Wow, that's awesome. Guys, I really appreciate it. We've had 20,000 subscribers. Hey, all I can say is thanks to you guys. I really appreciate you guys doing that. But we're just going to get into the revenue and explain this to you. I mean, really, with YouTube, the biggest bags I get from it are these eyes. Like right here, these bags under my eyes, that's the biggest bags I get out of YouTube. So my estimated revenue for the entire year, like literally from July to now, is $1,800. Dude, that's like $200 a month. You go eat some ramen. Oh wait, I won't be able to afford ramen because I got to spend that $1,800 for buying Puffy the mic. I got to buy a computer because it breaks all the time. I got to buy streaming junk. Guys, you just got to understand. Well, and wait, all the gas fees I pay for all these videos, I spend a lot of money for this junk. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is if you guys are wanting to start a YouTube channel, make sure you have a purpose for doing it. If you're going to do it for the money, don't do it. The only reason why I make do these YouTube videos and have a YouTube channel is because I love teaching cryptocurrency and I want to get you guys into cryptocurrency so you guys can understand it. Obviously, guys, it's not financial advice, but just trying to explain the junk to you. And I like breaking this stuff down. So first off, you must have a purpose. Like if your purpose is to make money, no, don't have a YouTube channel. All right, so if you pass purpose 1, you love it, great. Purpose number 2, or not purpose number 2, but reason number 2 is, do you have a girlfriend? If you got a girlfriend, it ain't gonna work out. That, or you better integrate her with the channel and have her come on the channel and help out. Like Coin Bureau, he uses his girlfriend as well for like TikTok videos and whatnot. Anthony Pompliano, he even has his girlfriend come on well, that's his wife. But you guys get the point. I don't have a girlfriend. So, like, right now, you guys probably don't believe me, but it's literally almost 2 a.m. It's 1:11 a.m. Actually, let me just refresh the page. It's 1:16. Guys, I stay up late doing these videos. I do crypto at night, and throughout the day, I'm researching. It's what I got to do. Like, I'll go to bed at 2 a.m. Right after this, I'm going to bed, and I'll wake up about 8 a.m. and start the workday. But, guys, just so you guys can understand it, these videos I do, it's not like you guys are like, oh, you make bank with YouTube. You don't make bank with YouTube. So let me just show you guys on the current dashboard. This is what I'm going to be making this month. I'm going to be making about $183. Yay! But wait, Uncle Sam's got to take 40% of that. Yay! Let me go eat some ramen. But anyways, guys, so first off, if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, first thing is you must have a purpose. If you desire and want to do it and you want to teach other people, do it. I highly encourage it because you will find, I don't know how to explain it, but more so encouragement like, hey, thanks for the help. And that's all I like. Like someone just saying, dude, thanks for helping me. I mean, that's it. That's enough for me. That's more than all the money in the world. I don't care about the money. The money is just like whatever. Who cares? But you guys just saying thanks, liking, subscribing, bell buttoning, that's like that means the world to me. I appreciate that and I really like that cuz that's why I keep putting in these efforts because I see you guys subscribing, I see your comments, you guys are learning this stuff and that's it. That's why I keep putting these videos out there is because you guys keep learning this stuff and you guys are encouraging and saying, "Thanks, I appreciate it. Keep them coming." So I passed step number 1. Step number 2, I don't have a girlfriend. So I'm solid. I'm good. It's okay. Step number 3. Unless you want to go into it and you have no money whatsoever and you want to live on the streets with a computer and want to eat ramen every day, go for it. But if you don't have a second source of income, you won't be able to sustain. You just won't. So the third thing is you must have like your own company that you own, have another job, or have crypto sustain you or something to sustain you. So those are the 3 things if you want to start a channel. But the first one is the most important one. If you have a desire and a passion to do it, man. Because like I love doing this and it's fun. Like I don't care about the money. As you guys can see, that's obviously like I make that in real estate. Like I can make that in half a day. But just so you guys can conceptualize this and understand it, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'll keep these videos coming, but just wanted to give you guys like a transparency video just so you guys can understand how much YouTube really pays you. Anyways, guys, as always, you know how we close it out. You know what it is. We're going to go to Proverbs chapter 20, verses 26. A wise king winnows out the wicked, and he drives the threshing wheel over them. Amen to that. Dude, guys, that wise man, he going to get that wicked person out. But anyways, guys, that's also why I like the YouTube channels. I get to give you guys wisdom one-liners. That's like gangbusters for me. I love that. Anyways, guys, if you want to support the channel, there are links in the description below. For some of the referrals, you also get paid. I get paid. It's a win-win. So, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Dogs, got to say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Dawman, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.